We're hoping to have a couple shop videos as we're doing some projects in here when we have time. This is definitely okay. Well, we just saw Shane. Oh, first, welcome back, everybody. We are going to be in the shop like I promised. I'm going to show you guys what's going on there, and I'm going to start some projects. It is a sheet of ice. We actually have a little bit of a warmer day today. I think it's like 40-something today, so a lot of the snow is melting. But Shane is up at Ray's house rescuing a tractor, and he's probably going to tell that story, and I'll let him do that now. I got my seats and some other crap.
All right, see you down there.
Okay.
All right, well, Molly just dropped me off a camera, so we'll get everybody up to speed real quick. It is January 10th today. It's actually pretty decent out. So I am getting started on something that I've been putting off. So we have our 7830. Still sitting right here from where it died when we were harvesting potatoes. So we had this tractor on the harvester and the coupler from the, well, I'm not going to go up under there, but what it appears at this point is the main coupler that connects the engine to everything else failed. So this tractor is dead in the water. It will not build any pressure, hydraulic pressure, will not steer, will not come out of park, is stuck here. So I pulled the front drive shaft out just now, so at least the front wheels will free spool. And then my plan is I'm going to take the hydro axe and chain that up, and then if you see way down yonder, there is the shop. So I've been kind of waiting till the ground froze up and got some snow on the ground, so it should slide easy now. So that is going to be my plan now, I guess. I'll chain the axe up to it and see if it wants to move. If it does, great. I'll drag it the rest of the way to the shop. If it doesn't, I don't know, this is already like plan C. I'm just trying to avoid fixing it where it sits. So we'll see. Okay, so I am going to bring in some stuff for my pickup truck, my 86. And I have a floor that I need to put in there. I'm going to put some sound dampening foam in there. And yeah, I got my seat covers. There's a lot of stuff. This truck needs some work, but I'm going to get some stuff done to it. Mechanically, Shane's going to work on it a little bit. We're hoping to do that a little bit over the winter so that this summer I can drive this every day and it doesn't have any mechanical issues or electrical issues. And then I'm guessing probably next winter I'll probably work on some of the minor body things that I need to fix and sprucing up the paint a little bit. I do like the patina on it, so I'm probably going to leave some of that, but there's a couple places that I need to paint and a couple little places that I need to fix. So shop, yes. Okay, well, I got to bring in some stuff, so let me bring that stuff in first and then I will show you guys around the shop. Seat covers and some wheel fenders that came with the truck. I don't know if I'm gonna put those on or not, but that'll be after I do some painting, and some interior door panel stuff. So I still have more stuff I need to get. I mean, I don't really want to spend too much money, but I just want to make it comfortable and personalize it a little bit. You guys saw a quick little clip of us in the workshop in that recap video, and I'll show you guys Shane filling up his toolbox. He was pretty excited to do that. This one is my toolbox. I have this black on black stuff at home. I have a couple toolboxes that I use to put my like art and paint supplies in, and then also my video supplies, and then all of these Makita tools. These are mine.
Dustbuster is Ray's. But I went ahead and I got some more Makita stuff because we tried to share Milwaukee and it didn't work because I could never find batteries when I needed them to. And I had some Makita stuff from back in the day. That's what my dad uses. So I decided to just go ahead and stick with the Makita stuff, and then I'll always know where my batteries are. I have a few more pieces I want to get. They do have an electric grease gun that I really want to get. Everybody's been using the one Shane got me for Christmas a couple years ago. So that one like pretty much lives at the farm. So I will get another one of those, and I think another hammer drill because I need one of those. But okay, yeah, this is all my, this was Merry Christmas to me pretty much. Okay, so I'm gonna run back up to the house. I forgot memory cards for my other stuff, and I will be back in just a minute. Shop is actually nice and warm. well?
Yeah. Huh?
How did that go?
Exactly as planned.
For a change. So, tell me what your plan is.
Fix it.
Did you tell them what's wrong with it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, no, now that we got it in here, I will start digging in, I guess, and I've never changed one before, but
You can do it.
yeah, it's not a huge job.
Yeah.
It's not something I wanted to do outside.
No, not this time of year. We've got the 8730. See? 70. We've got the 7830 in here. And we have Corzilla in here. And we have the 86 in here. And look at all this room. It's gonna be really nice. This will officially be like the first project happening in here. I mean, Corzilla's in here, but I don't know what's
Mainly hibernating.
mainly just parked in here for now.
What needs to get changed is up above this. So if you come in behind here, you see this little mini dry shaft thing?
Yep.
That connects to the coupler on the front.
Okay.
So it's probably about that big around. And it's gonna go out of there somehow.
Yeah.
So probably start taking this little shield off, this tube. I don't know how much stuff's gonna have to come out, probably a decent amount. I don't know how much of it I can access any right here. So yeah, this piece right here. Outside bolts, this piece of rubber on the inside here decimated. And hopefully ain't nothing else broke from that shaft flopping around.
Okay.
That's probably just move this right around.
We're hoping to have a couple shop videos as we're doing some projects in here when we have time. This is definitely one of them. And I'm laying on the cardboard.
I'm not.
All right, well, I think that's going to wrap it up for today. You're not planning on doing anything right now, are you? Maybe?
I'll let it warm up while we go eat supper and then make a decision.
Okay.
Supper ready?
Yeah, it's ready. Yeah, it's probably been ready for a little while.
Well, then let's get the hell out of here.
All right, guys. Shane will be back here later tonight, maybe, and I will see you guys on the next one.
All right, nice Sunday today. I'm back in the shop. We got the 7830 in here. We dragged this in yesterday. So I am gonna yard that coupler out of there, see how far we gotta get in there to get that. Okay, so this isn't actually going that bad. I've got that little stub shaft out of there, and the front piece of that coupler. So now I just need to remove this piece here, but it looks like this little drive shaft here got a little damaged. Yeah, that actually wore in there a little bit right there. So we might replace that while we're in here. Probably put new $1 million U-joints on these sides here. Boom, boom. And everything feels good, but I think it just went a little too long flapping around in there. Yeah, that weld on that weight is pretty much broken, but I came in through the side here a little bit too. That worked out pretty good, so I'll probably finish taking this out from the side here. And actually, yeah, we're gonna be up north on Wednesday, so I'll probably just bring this stuff up north with me and stop at John Deere there. So, finish her up now. All right, well, that's gonna wrap it up for today in the shop, I think. New skid steer showed up. Well, new used. Another Gale, kind of partial to them. And on this Deere, got the AC condenser out. That had a leak, and this is the coupler that failed. And this little shaft that's worn with the U-joints. Didn't go too bad. Pulled the front drive shaft, little side cover. All went pretty good. But we're gonna be up north this week, so I'll just bring that stuff up there and stop by United while we're up there and get the parts ordered. And then throw that thing back together, and that thing should be good to go for next year after that. I don't know, I'll give it a little once over, grease her up, get it ready to go. So that thing's ready in the spring. That's our potato planting tractor, so gonna need that. And then now that I got the Gale over here, I'll bring the air compressor and the waste oil burner over here, and then I'll have like some real heat. That'll be nice. So till next time.
Oh, dude, you are videoing. For the record.
That was
Light is on. He's such an idiot.
oh my god.